Hey there, HomeLabbers, self-hosters, IT pros, and engineers. Rich here. With the holidays upon us, I wanted to put something special together to help all of us celebrate our HomeLab obsession in the most festive and positively nerdiest way possible. And guess what? It is finally ready. Check this out. And here it is, a very special HomeLab server rack Christmas ornament that not only shows off your love for servers, home labbing, and your absurdly large power bill, but also helps you decorate your tree with the only thing that truly matters: infrastructure. This little guy is modeled after my actual 42U server cabinet at home and features a fully opening front door and split rear doors, just like the real APC 42U server cabinet in my garage. Inside, I've made tiny servers that you can actually slide into the rack, including a 4U LFF server, a 2U LFF server, a 2U SFF server, and a 1U LFF server for those of you who believe that noise is a personality trait. Now, if you want to help support what I do here on the channel and you don't have a 3D printer, I've got you covered. These ornaments are available right now at homelabgear.shop. Each one comes with 2 4U servers, 1 2U LFF, 1 2U SFF, and 1 1U server. But because it's the holidays and because HomeLabbers love free stuff almost as much as we love arguing about ZFS VDEV layouts, I'm also releasing all of the STL files for free. No paywall, no sign up, no download my newsletter, nothing. Just grab the files, print out your rack, and flex your holiday spirit HomeLab style. So head over to homelabgear.shop to get your printed ornament shipped right to your door, and check the description for the STL download links, our free Discord community, and more. As always, thank you for watching, happy home labbing, and happy holidays from all of us here at 2 Guys Tech.